Yeah. So we're here at the Lune Aqueduct. It's part of the Canal and River Trust, whatever that means. Oh, that's beautiful, Lune Aqueduct. We're parked in a dodgy location, but who cares?
We got the drone ready to rumble. En was is nog een hele eentje weg van die aqueduct.
That's fine. Gives them the whole 360 experience, the construction site, the overgrown stuff, everything. It's imperative. It's actually very pretty here. Only look left.
Yes, looks like it.
And to your left you will see some
Khaki boards.
khaki boards and some trees.
A hole in the hole.
It's a glory hole over there.
Some birds' nests.
Some stagnant rotten water. Oh well, the toilet's going really well.
The aqueduct not up here.
I don't know. We'll have to. I haven't got hands. I can't check. We must be on the right road. It's got signage everywhere saying Lune Aqueduct. Ooh, what's in here?
Where they do their rituals.
Nice.
Penny's Rest. There's a well over here.
Okay, laat ek opgaan. Oh my god, if something bites me, don't come looking for me. Just leave me to my fate. It's a little bit smelly here. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh
Welcome to
no.
Africa. How
Such
disgusting.
dirty little girl. Well, if I knew we had to do like another 500-kilometer walk.
Right, so take two, we're still on our way down, down, down. Ron, can you walk sexy please? I'm recording. Or not. We'll just walk. Oh, that's also pretty. Why do I feel like we're... Oh, here's the aqueduct. On this side, I think. I don't know. I don't have hands to check where we are on the map.
I think the aqueduct is actually up here. This is the aqueduct.
How do you get there?
Oh, this
Look
must
at
be
that
the
flyer.
this must be the aqueduct.
There's more in it.
Going up. Follow me. Come. Follow me. Okay. Follow me some more. Come.
Gonna be a while. Oh my god.
Oh, Vienna, ho. Oh, Vienna, ho. Come on. Come some more. Come some more. This is Elton Bridge Road.
And this is the Lune Aqueduct. We've also got some drone footage of the aqueduct. Our dedicated drone pilot. Ah, there goes the drone. And the river. How beautiful is that? that is it.